Hi everyone, welcome to my Optimum Health God's Way YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at the benefits of fasting, especially for health. Nowadays, fasting is becoming very popular. Some people would fast to lose weight, to look good, and to feel good. Especially when you are healthy, you feel good. Despite its recent popularity, fasting is a practice that dates back centuries and plays a central role in many cultures and religions. A lot of magical and incredible things happen when you fast because fasting is a powerful healing tool that activates the natural repair mechanism. That means fasting is the cure for any ailment or disease that you face today or future ailments that you would face. That means you can prevent future ailments by fasting ahead of time. Fasting is powerful because when you fast right around 17 or 18 hours mark of fasting, your body enters the stage of autophagy. That is a process called self-eating, self-cleaning that helps break down toxins, damaged cells, cellular waste, pathogens, microbes, dysfunction protein, mold, fungus, candida, yeast, parasites to remove and expel, as well as to recycle that are recyclable and to renew the tissues. As a result, it helps reduce inflammation, promote longevity and healing. Autophagy gives our body a lot of health benefits we will look at later in this video. Remember, God created a human body that heals itself, provided we give everything the cells of the body needs. The cells of the body are the basic unit structure of our body. So when we look at the needs of the cell, oxygen, water, nutrients, elimination of waste, that's when autophagy comes in, and poison to be kept out. So when we give all these needs of the cells will be healthy. That means we will be healthy. Because when the cells are healthy, the body is healthy. Like my teacher and herbalist, whenever he got any kind of patient, especially cancer or diabetic patients, heart patients, he would normally put them on 3-day fast and they would eat only fruits like watermelon, cantaloupe, and honeydew. And to speed up the cleaning process, he would give them enema to cleanse out everything that the body break down through fasting. Because autophagy takes care of the healing to a cellular level. So whenever we face any health issues or problems, we can always turn to fasting to reverse or to cure. Be it joint pain, skin rashes, floaters in the eyes, gut issues, cancer, diabetes, heart problems, or anything. When I researched fasting, I wrote down some that I would like to share with you. And it says right around 12-hour mark of fasting, the body triggers growth hormones to increase. So it helps with various body functions, development of bone, heart muscles, and balancing of good and bad cholesterol. Right around 17 and 18 hours of fasting, the body enters into a stage called autophagy, where cleaning, removing, and recycling of those toxins, impurities, and waste, especially that are being stored in the liver. So it will take care of old, damaged proteins, amyloid plaquing, pathogens, and microbes. And right around 24 hours fasting, body helps deplete glycogen reserve in the liver. So anything and everything that is stored in the liver due to excess, too much protein or fat, poisons, impurities, and waste, the body would run on ketone or fats, superior fuel than glucose. So it helps reduce inflammation, helps you with healing your gut, heart, brain, and preserving or sparing of your muscles, helps increase antioxidants. That means helps increase your oxygen in the body too. So more healing. Oxygen accelerates healing. At around 48 hours of fasting, your body starts stimulating the stem cells. That means more healing, more repairing, anti-aging, shrinkage of tumors if you have cancer, and your body gives out more mitochondria that convert food into energy. That means you gain more energy. At around 72 hours or more of fasting, there is more and more stimulation of stem cells, so more and more healing, repairing in the body, and helps boost your immune cells, helps boost your immune systems to help fight off any infection, and helps increase white blood cells to fight against viruses, bacteria, and germs. Now let's look at the benefits of fasting. Major health benefits, financial benefit, time management benefits, and development of excellent virtue, which is self-discipline. Now let's look at health benefits. Number 1, helps improve liver functions, helps reduce fats. Because when you fast, it helps remove and recycle toxins stored in the fat cells and helps cleanse your body of any fat, toxins, and waste. So there is a reduction in liver fat, helps reduce fatty liver disease, liver cancer, other liver problems. 2, weight loss. When the body used stored fat for energy during fasting, you lose weight. And on top of that, when you go on fasting, normally you are restricted on calories intake. It helps you lose fat better. 3, reduced inflammation. Fasting helps you reduce oxidative stress, so it helps you reduce heart problems, cancer, autoimmune problems like arthritis, psoriasis, lupus, which are the causes of inflammation. 4, enhanced brain function and mental clarity. Fasting helps boost brain-derived neurotrophic factor, so it helps improve memory, concentration, learning abilities, and helps increase the production of new brain cells, and helps prevent neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's, dementia, and Parkinson's. 5, helps decrease or balance blood sugar. In just the first few days of fasting, blood sugar drops. So it's very good for diabetes and pre-diabetes in managing their blood sugar. So if you want to reverse or cure diabetes, fasting is the key. 6, improved heart health. Fasting helps reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, high blood pressure through the process of autophagy. 7, anti-aging. Right around 12 hours of fasting, your body is triggered to increase growth hormones, which is good for fat burning and anti-aging, balancing good and bad cholesterol. 8, reduced insulin resistance. Fasting causes the body to secrete less insulin, so it helps increase insulin sensitivity and allowing insulin to transport glucose from your bloodstream to your cells more efficiently. 9, longevity. Studies have shown that fasting helps increase lifespan by up to 30% and helps increase the diversity of helpful bacteria in the gut microbiome related to longevity and helps increase proteins that are involved in metabolic regulation associated with longevity. 10, helps decrease risk of metabolic diseases. Fasting helps with weight loss, helps improve metabolic flexibility, so it helps with obesity, diabetes, cardiometabolic disease. 11, improved overall fitness. Fasting can help with endurance, stamina, energy, and muscle building. 12, fasting helps improve sleep quality, deeper, soundly, longer, fall asleep faster. 13, improved gut health. Fasting helps give digestive system a break to repair, heal, calm, lower inflammation, and helps balance microbiomes and helps increase the diversity of helpful bacteria in the gut microbiome. 14, helps improve immune system. Fasting helps stimulate the regeneration of immune cells, helps reduce inflammation, and helps improve cellular repair, and helps remove damaged immune cells, and helps stimulate stem cells. And fasting acts as a reboot to your immune system and helps increase white blood cells in the body, gives more resistance to infection to help fight infections, illness, or disease. 15. Increased cell turnovers, removes damaged cells and replaces them with new ones. So it helps with your skin health, brain, and your heart and others. 16. Increased metabolism. Fasting, through its actions on hormones and fat metabolism, helps decrease hunger, helps with breaking down fats. 17. Fasting helps increase human growth hormone secretion, which is very important for growth, metabolism, weight loss, muscle strength, and muscle recovery. And it helps preserve muscle mass by burning fats, helps support skin health and elasticity, anti-aging, and enhance recovery from post-exercise and others. Now let's look at financial benefits of fasting. Through fasting, you reduce meal frequencies, fuel meals, so you have less related expenses. 2. Less food consumption. Normally when you fast, your stomach shrinks, so you tend to eat less. It costs you less money. 3. You are less tempted to make impulse buy. By focusing on fasting, you are less tempted to buy like snacks and junk and unhealthy and harmful diet, because during the window of eat, you need to eat nutritious food, high minerals, high vitamins, and electrolytes in your diet. 4. Less frequent eating out, especially for intermittent fasting, focuses more on healthier home-cooked meals, so you less likely to eat out. 5. Mindful of spending. When you fast, normally you don't buy a lot of stuff because you don't want them to go wasted or rotten. Due to fasting, you are less likely to spend on restaurant or takeouts. 6. Delayed gratification. When you are fasting, you have more control on your appetite because you have to wait until you break your fast, most likely to spend less due to fasting. 7. You have better judgment to distinguish between needs and wants. Normally when you fast, you think of what your body needs, vitamins, minerals, and electrolytes, instead of what your body wants. 8. When you feel healthier due to fasting, you have lesser need to go to your doctor, lesser medical expenses. Let's look at benefits of fasting in terms of time management. Number 1, so when you fast, you reduce your meal preparation time, like planning what to cook or how many meals a day and cooking it, so you cut down the time of prepping. 2, you reduce your eating time, like if you cut down from 3 meals to 2 or 1 meal a day, it saves you a lot of time of eating. You spend lesser time eating. 3, reduce cleaning up time. Since you don't have to cook and clean much, it reduces cleaning up time significantly. 4, fasting helps increase your focus and energy. It allows you to work, do anything more efficiently, so it gives you more time. 5, when you fast, you feel better, so you have less frequent doctor appointment, so you have more time for yourself. 6, fasting gives you more time for other important activities. When you have to spend less time on food-related tasks, you have more time for your hobbies, relaxation, and other important activities. Now let's look at fasting helps you foster self-discipline. Number 1, delayed gratification. Fasting helps you develop mental strength and helps you build a sense of control and consistency. That means to postpone your immediate satisfaction. That could lead to resisting other temptations too, beyond food choices in other areas of your life. 2, increased self-control. You have more self-control over your cravings, passions. Indulgence gives you greater sense of control over other impulses and urges in other areas of life. 3, strengthened willpower. Fasting helps you develop mental exercise that strengthens willpower. 4, Fasting helps you establish routine and consistency. You have less stress. 5. Fasting helps promote mindfulness, encouraging you to pay attention to your body's signals and to make better conscious choices. What is important and what is not, what is good or what is bad, what you need or what you don't need. 6. Fasting helps you take charge of your own health instead of allowing your doctor or your caregiver to take charge of your health. 7. Fasting helps you achieve self-mastery, gives you power to say no to your ego. Now let's look at fasting method or ways that you can implement. Number 1, water fasting. Fast for certain hours and would drink only water. 2, juice fasting. Only fruit or vegetable juice during fasting. 3, intermittent fasting. Involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting from a few hours to a few days at a time or on a regular schedule. 4, partial fasting. Some people would avoid some processed food, caffeine, sugar, refined carbs, animal products, or certain drinks, or eliminate them for a set period of time. 5, calorie restriction. Calories are restricted for a few days every week in this fast, and normally people will count calorie intake of their food. 6, Daniel fast. You eat only fruits and vegetables, nuts. 7, elimination fast. You eliminate any unhelpful and harmful diet. You can even do habit and lifestyle for a period of time or for life. So it's crucial to ensure a healthy diet during eating periods when you do fasting, and make sure you are well hydrated. Only put in nutrients dense food and some electrolytes. Now let's look at the recommendation to gain the fastest and the best results from fasting, especially for health if you want to truly reverse and cure. Number 1, pursue a regular and consistent fasting habit. 2, combine fasting with some supplements like better than greens, moringa, wheatgrass, spirulina, chlorella, vegetable juice, and honey and molasses. My teacher would mix supplements with some water or vegetable juice or fruit juice, put in the rectum like enema, because that's where there is a reabsorption of nutrients to distribute in the bloodstream to the whole body. 3, I would like to encourage either Daniel fast or elimination fast. Daniel fast, you would eat only fruits, nuts, grains, vegetables. For elimination fast, you eliminate anything harmful or unhealthy, be it diet, lifestyle, habit. Just eliminate it for good. 4, you can couple fasting with following God's health principles like godly trust, open fresh air, daily exercise, sunshine, proper rest, lots of water, always temperate, and nutrition. The result will be very amazing. So fasting is very, very good for curing, reversing, and healing your ailments to cellular level. Because when your cells are healthy, you are healthy. Friends, I would like to leave you with 3 John 2. Beloved, I wish above all things that you may prosper and be in health as your soul prosper. Bye for now until my next video. God bless.